What's going on, Easy Money family? Shout out to everybody that's currently in the live stream. Yeah, guys, this is just a quick pop up. I ain't even gonna say quick. This is a pop up live. Nothing. We didn't promote it or anything like that. Shout out to my boy Raymond. Raymond in the building. What's going on, man? Let's just let a few more people get into the live stream. It doesn't start until 2 minutes. Yo, what's going on, man? What's going on, everybody? Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in. We got 50 current viewers, and it looks like it's going to be a great trading day for us quantum computing shareholders. Anybody that's in the quantum space, like I was telling you guys in yesterday's video about the retracement, we're just in a. You from Rome? Shout out to the Romes, like they say, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. So I'll be out there soon. All right, be out there soon. Shout out to my boy Brandon, Josh in the building. Ooh, son, good call. Yeah, I was telling you guys about, like, we in the retracement, guys. Don't be pissed. That's that SOUN call. We ain't done, Raymond. I told you, easy money SOUNs, man. We get this paper. REGTI, Rigetti Spaghetti. I got you. I got you, guys. Thank you for the sound call. Easy money call options, guys. I play no games when I put that easy money behind it. I'm telling you. If I put the word easy money behind a call option or put option, just know, guys, I'm more confident than the sun coming up tomorrow. Shout out to my boy Unstoppable Favor from the UK. Shout out. Guys, one thing I noticed is that the viewers here on the channel is spread out all around the world. So that's very exciting as well. Took out an original investment. Rest is profit running. You already know. Who else got that money off those easy money call options for SOUN? We're about to check it out here really. Oh yeah, we're on SOUN. But that easy money call option, we did that $14 strike for the, let's see, next week, 220. So for those that is, let's see here, we looking at that 220, that $14 strike for the 220. What I was about to say, yeah, guys, we're sitting at that $2.63. I forgot what price it was when I did when we pointed this out here in yesterday's video, but I want to say it was under $1, like 34 cents or something like that. I believe my numbers might be off. Shout out to who just slid in the Discord. Leon Bexon. Shout out to Leon Bexon. We just started the live stream. 101 on the clock. We're up 20% here on SOUN. Let's go through the motions, guys. QUBT. Let's check it out. Quantum coming back. I like that mid Bollinger bounce. How do you guys? Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out QBTS. Guys, what you feel about the Stellantis CEO comeback? I don't think it's going to have an effect at ACHR because he's only coming back for Ram. He's only coming back for Ram, Tim Kuniskis. So, yeah. I don't think it's going to have any effect on the Stellantis investment on ACHR at all. So, but QBTS, I like how we didn't actually challenge that upper just yet. Gives us another day for a breakout. Anytime that we go above this upper, just know don't buy in that buy. That's not a buy zone at all. Let's see live chat here really quickly. We got still 100%. I got in at 85 cents. We got Jacob. Thanks, Jake. Any stock that have grown potential that didn't run 500% in the last 3 months missed everything. Being busy at work. Listen, this is like shout out to my boy Haas. Sig Fig. 69. What's going on, man? Yeah. Far as that go, like right now, the market is pretty easy and well saturated for runs across the board. You just got to know the industry right now leaning towards quantum computing, AI. As we head into the Trump administration, I want you guys to be well aware of the fact that me personally, I think Palantir will be the best buy over Nvidia and Tesla. A lot of people might say I'm crazy for making that statement, but even though that Elon Musk and Donald Trump is fairly close, should we say, you have to take into consideration everything is Palantir is basically Trump's protocol, especially on border control. All right, Palantir is the ace in the hole when it comes to border control with Mexico and America. But when Trump's getting in office, I do feel as though that he's going to pit that on steroids. Let's check out LEDS. Right now, we broke that mid Bollinger to the ups. No, we broke that mid Bollinger here back on the 10th. And this is why I tell you guys, that mid Bollinger break is very bullish, man. Very, very, very bullish. We got that neutral SAR. Looks good here on the day. I think this thing is about to see one of those hey breakouts, guys. Look for this thing to actually cross $1.87 here pretty shortly, with the bid orders flying in. For those that's in the Discord, I give it to you. Give it to you. Just wanted to run through this video as not quick as possible, but we didn't plan on dropping any alerts in the Discord here today. Entry. But again, guys, thanks for coming out. This was one of those live streams we didn't plan, we didn't promote, let everyone know, be looking out for Friday, nothing like that. Just a pop-up live, and I'm pretty stoked to see that you guys actually made it in, as many as you guys did. So thanks for that. We can kick off our 5-minute ranking here right off the bat. As you all know, 5-minute ranking only works after the first 5 minutes of the open. We usually do this thing first 15 minutes, the last 15 minutes of the pre-market heading into the open. So let me check out LEDS here in a second, but SOUN. The reason why I like to use the 5-minute ranking, guys, is because we're able to actually find these plays before they become top rankers. Basically, you're trying to find a stock that is moving. It doesn't matter if it's moving up or down at that moment. You just want to see it moving a lot within the 5-minute interval. That will catch your attention. After that, then you want to focus on that share float ratio in comparison to the total. No, sorry about that. You want to focus on market cap, then share float. But here in SOUN, we got TRUG. That thing blew up here when I fell asleep today, guys. Ran as high as that 92 cent. Guys, did you take that swing yesterday? Let me know. We called that yesterday. Was an entry as 46 cent here yesterday. Let everyone know that was a high risk trade, so that was over 100% gain. But yeah, let's find us a play. In the meantime, I'm about to check out the live chat because I know you guys got me some tickers to review. So let's dig in. We got some LUNR. We got some Lace. We got some ACHR. I got you, Haas. Big Haas. I got you. Master-obi, you think LEA? It's good for go look for. Honestly, let me see. Because I know you guys is freak ours. Alright, I was just looking at something. Let's take that notification bell off. Here, honestly, no. My trading strategy, I'll never buy above this Bollinger Band, especially never above the upper. Even buying in mid between these two lines doesn't serve. Isn't something that I go after. I like that mid cross. That mid cross really gets me going. So something like this I wouldn't touch. Far as holding the thing though, let me go back to the 15 here really quickly. Far as holding this thing though, looks like a clean hold here. Over the weekend hold, but I couldn't be a buyer at these prices here. I have to wait for a retracement or correction here back towards those $1.50 levels, just for a quick swing trade opportunity. In my case, QBTS starting to pick up here. Like I said, I don't want to challenge this upper here on the day. We do not want to see that. We would like to see this thing cap off around like 480 here today, cool it down, and set itself up for Monday. Let's see what we got going. Short on, are you urban? Nah. Can. I like this. I tread lightly. If I decided to get in this, man, I use my 10% method for sure. I see this thing reaching levels as high as 320 by Wednesday, especially if, let's see here. Oh, 12. Yeah, by Wednesday. Let's see here. Yikes. Yeah, by Wednesday. But I expect a correction shortly after that $3.20 level tap. And correct from there back down towards those 290s. Pretty chart. Yeah, it is, man. Stack chart for sure. Sound predictions, man. I really want to give you guys the SOUN predictions on our rundown video. We got to keep that segment going, guys. We're going to do a daily segment on the rundown videos because I know you guys like that. Give you guys 5 quick tickers. Give you the rundown for the next day expectations just within 5 minutes. I think you guys really like that one. So I'm going to save that for that. But I will give you end of the day price prediction here for SOUN. Like I said before, man, we're riding that upper for sure. Looking for, I got to go back to my notes, but I believe $17, $17 to $19 was the PT here for SOUN, that range here. So that's where we want to close out. Yeah, we will be above that upper if we do go towards those $19 levels, way above it. Right now, buying SOUN at these prices for those that's looking on the sideline. Use the 10% buy-in method. Once this thing crossed that upper, stay away for now. I wouldn't even use the 10% on that. QBTS, like a long skateboarding ramp. Yep, but we don't want that ramp to fall because it's going to be a anvil drop. Shout out to my boy Haas. I want to load up more QBTS. Yeah, quantum space. I like it. We like it, man. We look at the whole quantum computing sector, 7-4, 7 up, 4 down. Overall, though, let's just look at their 5-day here really quickly. Just a 5-day. Nothing crazy, but the 5-day ranking. RGTI is leading the pack here with a 62% return here just in the last 5 days of trading. The 10-day ranking, we have also RGTI leading the pack, followed by QBTS. And this is the quantum space, guys. But if we want to look at something much, QUBT is up over 900% here in the last 120 days. RGTI followed by that at 694. And then we got IONQ. Don't sleep on this. Don't sleep on IONQ, guys. This is another one of those plays that we called around $11. I'm going to say I do an update video on that, but we killed the quantum space. We really did kill that one. Got in it at the right time across the board. Many other plays besides our Qs, but let's check out DJT. Like I told y'all, I expected for this to ride that upper. We're riding it comfortably. We didn't cross it. We did cross it, but we actually correct back under it. That's a very great sign. All right, a gradual, slow but sure gain to the upside heading into the Trump takeover. That's what I'm gonna call it. All right, it's gonna be called. I call it the Trump takeover. Not an inaugural announcement or anything like that. This is the Trump takeover. Yeah, QBTS, man. We're gonna get a retracement on it. I think aftermarket retracement. I think we might get an aftermarket retracement, but man, oh man, I don't think we hit the high today. It's not looking like that. 470 can easily be broken, man. The bids are there. PLTR end of the day price target. I think we on retracement with PLTR here. I think we on a retracement here. If PLTR can actually break that 74.50, things will turn around, but I think we on retracement here. We did actually cross that mid on the 15, so I like that. If we reject this candle back to the downside, full-fledged bearish day. I'm just looking at the trading pattern. But no rejection. We could be headed back towards those $75 levels. End of the day, price target here for PLTR, $75 on the high side. Low end of things, $72.80. All right. Market still blowing down. UAME. United Autonomy. I think we alerted this yesterday. Yeah. $1.75 price target was $1.95 swing trade. So we got to update this thing for everybody that's over in the Discord. UAMY. PT smashed. New PT set for 218 plus. Yeah, $2.18 plus price target here for that play. ACHR, I got you, Haas. I don't know why I blew past that. I got you, Haas. Good thing about being part of the YouTube membership, by you being highlighted, I instantly see it. But ACHR, man, mid Bollinger bounce. That's a very great sign. Retracement from flipping that SAR though. Currently at 886. Today's high picked in at 844. PCD is showing me no clear market direction right now. What we got? Develop a hybrid. Okay, so if that's hybrid, that thing is gonna take gas as well. That might be the right direction to head into, honestly. But like I said before, early investors here in ACHR. ACHR trader is ideal, but investing early in a company that's going to need cash, it's just a hard thing to do when you've been around the markets for so long and you have been in situations like this. You see it a mile away, man. Those offerings ain't come down the table just yet, but they will. I feel as though that ACHR is one of those plays that has a huge retail investor interest. That will totally eat away that offering pretty quickly. Like, we won't see a long offering. That offering won't last long at all. But it will affect the share price. Currently right now, whoa, yesterday was huge short selling day. Not liking that. Yeah, I keep my eyes out on this to cross those $8 levels here shortly. If we see a rejection there, this thing could be headed back towards those $7.30 levels here before the end of the day is over with. So keep in mind on that. Find me a way to invest into Dory, like DXYZ for SpaceX. I do my DD on that and try to get back to you with that one. Can't stop, won't stop, GameStop. All right, I got you on GameStop. That was a funny one. QBT is hitting $7 next week. I feel it. I really do feel it. Let's check out DXYZ. Should we be on retrace here today? Yes. Makes for a good break back under that Bollinger Band. Scarce levels. We flip this SAR at $58. That'll be a scarce symbol, but 58 could lead us back towards 51. 51 would be a panic sale territory, major panic sale territory if it does retrace back towards those levels here. But I don't think that is the case. Guess what? Major launches here over the weekend for SpaceX. All 4 launches go as planned. That $90 price target that we got here on DXYZ. will be the floor. I do feel as though that we have $100 in store. SOUN is still sticking around here. TRUG still sticking. Let's see if we can find us an alert here. We got. All right, we alerting. All right, I like this. Towards 92 cents. That's a 5% increase. INVZ entry 88 cents. PT will be 96 cents plus. Swing trade that. Let's put a alert bell on it so we can stay notified every time that the stock moves. 5% within 3 minutes. And time to find another play. Let's see what you guys are talking about in the live chat. MSRT probably after Bitcoin at ACHRE by June 2025, $15. I think that's a little bit low. KY at its peak. I mean, if you're saying we're going to be sitting at $15 by June, that's believable. But ACHR high by June, $15, man, you're holding a lot back, man. A lot back. I do feel as though that we're going to see a major spike, but yeah, it's going to retrace majorly as well. But due to corporate actions, is what's going to make it retrace. Can I get a review on GSET? You know you can, Sig. You know you can, buddy. Ooh, mid Bollinger break to the downside. Keep your eyes out on this cap off day. We close below that and $1.95. Things can get very ugly back down towards $1.60 here for GSAT. But if we do challenge this mid break but reject it to the downside, more often than not, stocks tend to actually go straight to the upper shortly after. Well, not same day, of course, but a couple of days of trading, we're back towards that upper here. So today I keep my eyes out on GSAT close for sure. SOUN still sticking around 21% in gain. No shift here. But yeah, those last 3 days of trading, not including today, man, was just a correction in the quantum space. Wasn't anything to panic about. UMAC. Still got this thing up pushing. I think we just hit our price target. What is our new PT for? $2.18, 218 plus. I'm getting a lot of DMs over in the Discord. Okay. Again, guys, don't forget to consider joining the Discord if you're new. That's where it all goes down when I come around. That's where all the alerts are really at. This thing is still sticking around. We're still waiting for. Yeah. What sector is gonna be hot next, guys? That is the main goal, though. You're not trying to find out what stock is gonna be hot. It's all about finding the hot sector, and each sector basically has a domino effect to the next. Like AI had a huge effect. Like when AI started first popping, like a little bit over a year ago, guys. Made a video letting you guys know about the ecosystem in the AI sector. All right, how each industry is going to rely on each other. From you got AI, which is going to need the cloud companies, which is going to result in quantum computing companies benefiting slowly but surely, which is ultimately going to cause energy to boom. And that's why we got into uranium. But let's check out NNE, because I know a lot of you guys love those nano nuclear stocks. But yeah, Now, this type of trading, we could be headed back towards those $20 levels. For those that is currently in NNE, far as averaging down, hold off. You will want to average down around $20 here. But our UEC here really quickly, which is my favorite uranium mining company. Uranium mining, guys, you don't want to sleep on this industry at all. All right, this is one of those. This is the next coal industry. All right, this is modern day coal industry, because the only way you're going to be able to generate power at the demand that the world is going towards with EV vehicles. You got Bitcoin mining all across the world. That takes a lot of energy. Also, AI takes even more energy than that. With that being said, the only way that you're going to get clean, zero emission energy is nuclear power. It's no way around it. All right. Not only that, we've seen what Russia did with energy, guys. Right? They weaponized it against Ukraine and other EU countries. How can you make sure that doesn't happen again? Become energy dependent. And how can any country become energy dependent? Nuclear power, guys. It doesn't take rocket science to foresee that one, but yeah, man, don't sleep on uranium. Please don't. You're gonna kick yourself 15 years from now wishing you made a long-term investment. Don't miss it. My calls are crushing me right now. What we talking, Cam? What call? Spies is total buzzkill. Yeah, it is, man. You see how the SPY just kept dropping like a bitch. Thought we were going to see a bounce around at 603. Let's see here. Hoping for a bounce around to 603. Oops, why did I put that right there? I'm looking for SPY. Yeah. Let's see if we get a lunch day shift. We get a lunch day shift, man. Might be headed back towards 605 before the day over with. So don't kick yourself. All right? Don't kick yourself. You damn right. My boy said Obi is live streaming now. Yep. They over there in the Discord. Guys, if you haven't, make sure you get over there. But yeah, the market's not showing any sign of turning here. It's just hit the Richter scale for some reason, and I'm not. All right. Let's put a notification bell on that. Okay, we got. Yeah, things is just still holding. Not seeing a market shift just yet. Well, they hit the $20 price target, $20 plus price target, should I say. Shout out to, can't see the full name. Oh, because we're in streamer mode. Shout out to Sig Fig, just joined the premium, just got him a yearly membership. Shout out to Sig Fig for becoming a yearly membership. For grabbing a yearly membership over on the Discord. Sig, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it, buddy. You're gonna start bringing up the trading algo as well starting next week for Bitcoin. So we're gonna run the trading algo 24/7 for Bitcoin over on the Discord for you Bitcoinians out there. I'm really not too deep in crypto, guys, before I actually start making videos about it, I need to do extensive research. Been researching and following the crypto market here for about the past 4 months, and I'm still not confident just yet. So, coming soon. This thing may be seeing another breakout here soon. I don't know why the bid orders is just flying in right now, but TNXP. TNXP. What's going on here? Anybody currently holding TNXP already made more than that price in your trade. Sub more than worth it. Shout out to Sig Fig, man. You heard him. He done made. I mean, all you gotta do is just follow along. It's very simple. Not only do you get my alerts in the Discord, you got TK. We got other analysts as well, man. We got TK in there. We got Lumley Trades, Alpha Trades. I'm going to be adding a few more analysts as well due to the growth of the Discord is just growing so quickly, guys. And we don't want to everybody buying the same stock under one alert. You know, that's if too many people is buying it, then it could actually have an effect on the market. So more alerts. We try to spread out the alerts as many as possible. That's why I give out more than one alert. Try to give you guys about between 5 and 10 a day. That way, everything isn't focused on one trade, and I don't have the IRS. It's not IRS, but SEC. Knocking at my door for things like that. But TNXP, man, I think this is about to see a break to the upside. Let's get this alert out there. Everyone, TNXP, guys, you're watching me live. 23 cents, PT 26 cents plus. That's about a 10% gainer from entry. We don't want nothing much, right? We don't want nothing much, guys. Because it's always another trade around the corner. OCGN, can't lose it. I lost it, but good thing. Oh. OCGN entry 80 cents. PT 92 cents plus swing trade. Got a swing trade on that. Market's still just retracing as we speak, though. I just want to see how Palantir is holding up with this type of news. Rarely affected here. Dude, if this isn't one of the strongest stocks on the market, guys, tell me what it is. Still waiting for this to actually break that 218 here. Still waiting on that 218 break. Haas, I lost 75 on OCGN back in 2021. Haas, you staying far away from it, huh? Oh, SOUN calls for next week. Cash out today. This is what you want to do, Mallet. Don't get greedy. Lock in 60%. 60 to 80% of that position. All right, don't get greedy. Leave the rest to ride, because we are going to, once the opportunity presents itself, we're going to make a little bit money back on the downside for the correction. All right, in QBTS and SOUN. Our SOUN calls, we're gonna wait for the correction on that. Make some money to the downside. QBTS as well. Tell Palantir to go whoop. I wish it's holding. Palantir is holding. Like, look at the market. Palantir is one of the star-studded stocks. All right. And seeing as though that it's holding up in a time like this is great. All right, it's great. TRUG, major retracement from that 92 cent, but people, this thing ain't done. It's gonna see another pop here. I believe so. Pretty confident in this one as well. But getting back towards those 92 cents, stretch. But I do feel as though that we're going to challenge the 80 cent levels here in TRUG here next week. Early next week, should I say. Check out that live chat. Need 78. Sound calls for next week. Take profits today. Yeah, mallet. Lock in some of those gains. Lock in some. I wouldn't let them all fly, but you know we got the expiration of the 12/20, so. But I do see a slight correction coming up for SOUN, so you want to gear up and get ready for some short-term puts for it really quickly as well. I'm gonna be dropping a video on that here today, so be looking out for those easy money puts as well. As far as next week's take, yeah, I think you guys are gonna be interested in that. SOUN. I just want UAMY to hit PT so we can call it. You see that? We are riding the upper. We don't want to blow past it. We're riding the upper. That's what we want. I would love a close around this price, right? We would love to close around this price. And SOUN, but like I said, we're setting our. I want to see a setup for the puts, right? I would love to see it close under here on the long situation, but for the setup for the puts, we want this thing to actually blow past that upper real quick. We actually want it to close above that upper. It closed above it. Once we start to get above this upper here, man, and it looks like we may close above it, man, we putting the plug on them. We are pulling the plug on them puts. Pulling the trigger, I'm telling you. We're going to have to pull the trigger on them puts, guys, because we're going to do the same weekly 12/20s. Make money on the correction and sell our calls from yesterday's purchase once on the recovery by the end of next week. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Yeah, I think so, Haas. I think we're going to see a bottom out. I think we're going to see a bottom consolidation on the recovery. Not recovery, but retracement / correction on SOUN. Especially if we blow past that upper. That's what I want to see for our put setup. But on the long situation, closing under that upper is great for a continuation Monday. Which strike? I stuck with options. All right. Which strike we talking about? Puts, right? I don't know yet. Outlet. OLED. I don't know yet. Like, it hasn't presented itself yet until we go above that upper. That's what I want to see. We go above that upper, that's when we pull the trigger. All right, double trigger. I need to get one of those trigger, one of those gunshot sound effects. They play on the Madden game. Once you hear that, guys, that means buy that put option. But W key. This is so iffy with the halts. It's so iffy. But hold on, let's see something here. Nope. All right. Let's check out. PLTR. Check out NVDA. We go check out a few other NVIDIA's holdings, but yeah, guys, I feel like NVIDIA is affected by the market and is much more affected in a negative way by the market than Palantir is. Is it B, or I'm the only one that noticed that? But let's see here on no, we're gonna go to SERV to see their holdings. SERV, let's go to related stocks and check out NVIDIA's holdings here really quickly. 3 for 3. SERV, SOUN, and RXRX is the 3 I ought to keep my eyes out on. Even APLD though. Even APLD. But SOUN, SERV, and APLD is the 3. But SERV, on the other hand, guys, let's go to the day chart here really quickly. Okay, comfortable trading day. Not even close to riding that upper just yet. That's at that 1321. Should be higher here on Monday. Again, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Oh, I'm done. It's in there. All stocks NVIDIA invested in. They're also in APLD. Yep. APLD in there too. They got the whole, I think they got a 6 stocks in there holding right now. So if NVIDIA's confident in them, why shouldn't we, right? But yeah, though, we're going to be looking at these serve call options as well, which I will be updating you guys here on the easy money call option for SERV. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Don't miss it, because I do feel as though that SERV's retracement is going to come after SOUN. So that's why we're going to present that call option here today for SERV. That video is going to come alongside the SOUN easy money put option video as well. So be looking out for that, guys. And smash that like button. No, seriously, guys, smashing that like button really does go a long way. Like, you smashing that like button forces YouTube into recommending the video to another viewer. All right, so one person smashing the like button causes YouTube into recommending it to another viewer, guys. So do the big old one a good solid. And but yeah, yeah, guys, looks like we're seeing that NASDAQ lunchtime cool down. But other than that, it looks like the market started to find its bottom consolidation. If we could get a rally here, man, we might see 607 on the end of the day. So we might see 607 on the end of the day for our SPY calls to actually make a return here. But quantum computing made its turnaround. Let's see here. XYZ, if we can break that mid, man, on that 15, like comfortably break it. I don't consider that a break, but could be back towards $70 here before the end of the day. Great trading day overall for DXYZ. HOVR, we're about to hit that too. HOVR, I got you. HOVR. Okay. HOVR is in the ACHR category. This is what I like. You see this setup? Mid Bollinger break to the downside, right? Rejection. Close above the mid. Ride it and break. This should actually see that 84 cent here. And while doing so, meeting around those 84 cent levels around that upper, we will see a SAR flip as well. So HOVR is on my watch list for next week for sure. All right. Sure, I'm gonna keep that on my watch list for next week for sure. For sure. All right, let's see our just want to check something real quick. All right. But again though, guys, I'm about to get you those call options here. I'm about to get you those easy money option plays here. I'm about to start doing the recording on that here shortly. I got to get you guys that before the trading day is over with, so you guys can place those orders, right? So see you guys then, and do me a big one, a fat solid favor, guys, on this upcoming video, easy money option plays. Smash that like button. No, seriously, guys, get that thing up to 200 likes. I really want to see it happen. So with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go.